This is a great little set of silicone magnetic balls. It comes in this little carrying case. I have a set of 4. You can see how they fit in here. The first thing I noticed about these that I really like is because they're magnetic, they have a good weight to them. So that all by itself is kind of nice. They just feel good in your hand. There's 4, so they fit good in your hand. They are magnetic, so they stick together. Each ball has a different kind of pattern on it. And it really is just a nice anxiety soothing thing to just sit here and fidget with these. These are non-toxic, really fun to have. They'll fit on a desk, fit in a pocket, fit in your purse. I've been loving them.